borrow your screwdriver? No. Oh, that's sad.
Hey, Sonic, can I borrow your screwdriver?
No!
What?
No! You get nothing!
Oh.
Every day, all you do is ask, and I never receive.
The fuck?
So no! You get nothing!
So what?
It's always, where is my screwdriver? And never, how is my screwdriver?
What do you mean?
You get nothing!
I'm sorry, Sonic.
Yeah,
I just wanted your screwdriver.
that's exactly what I thought.
I just wanted your sorry.
What did you want again?
I came to borrow your screwdriver.
Well, shit. Why didn't you say so? Here you go.
Thanks, man.